Hi, my name is Charlotte and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stitch bound scrapbook, and I'm going to be using the Moroccan blue collection and some craft card to do it. First you need to have some 8x8 craft card. You're going to have one piece that you keep at 8x8 and one piece that you're going to cut to 1 1/4 by 8. So when you have these, you're going to want to put some double-sided tape on the back, and you want to choose what paper you want to decorate your scrapbook with. So I've chosen some from the Moroccan blue 12x12 collection, and you want to use some double-sided tape just to keep it in place, and you want to put it about 1/2 inch from the edge and stick it down. So once we've got all the pieces off, you're going to want to leave a little gap just so that your book will bend. So once you're happy, just pop it down in place, and then we're going to trim the edge with a guillotine. So I've got my X-cut guillotine here, and then I'm just going to line it up so that I have the same edge around it. And then we're going to do the other side as well. So once it's in place, make sure you press down and chop it down. So just pop that back to one side, and you'll now see that I've got the same edge around the outside. With my scissors, I'm going to cut the corners out, and this will just give you a slightly better finish. So slightly angled, take each corner out. This will just allow it to bend into place. Doesn't matter if you haven't been completely accurate when you're cutting it with the guillotine, because we can hide that later. So make the final cut there, and then I'm going to use my paper creaser to get a nice sharp edge. So all you have to do is run it down like that, turn it around each way, and this will mean it will have a really nice look to it once you're finished. Once we've done that, we're going to take some double-sided tape again, and then we're going to just quickly place it on. So, and the double-sided tape from Stick It is really useful for this. It's very strong finish, and it's simple and easy to use. So now that we've used our paper creaser, you can feel how easily it is in it bending upwards. And you can see where we've cut the corner, it allows you to have that bit that won't be there for your final finish. So we're going to keep going round. Now that we've got that look, you can see how it's starting to appear. I'm going to take my paper creaser, not even going to use a ruler, I'm just going to run down the little gap, so this will make it easier to bend. So you want to just make sure that it's going to bend both ways before you line it. To line it, I've used some white textured paper, and I'm just going to once again apply a little bit of double-sided tape. So once we've got it like that, you can see how it hides all the corners. And because we've been over with our paper creaser, you can start to see the bend, which is going to form the book. Now, I've already made one here, so you can see that I've already put the holes in. And once you've done one, use the other one as a template so you can see. So with your pencil, using it as a template, just mark a little bit in the centre so you'll know where to punch with your X-cut. So I'm going to use the screw hole punch, and I'm going to use it on its biggest setting as well. I'm going to need to use quite a bit of pressure on this. So once you've lined it up on the hole, you want to push through a couple of times because there's a couple of layers. If it doesn't come out, you can just poke it through with your pencil so it comes out the other side, and then it will tear away. So it's still gives a nice finish. Once you've had both done, you want to use the Moroccan blue cord, and you're going to use that to bind it. I'm going to show you one that I've made earlier. You start at the bottom and you crisscross your way up until you get a lovely finish inside, and when you add your scrapbook pages you can just use the template you made and that will work to add them in. There you go, it's a stitch bound scrapbook. Thank you for watching.